Welcome to the How To series. In this episode, we'll show you how to download UniEase logs. Let's get started. When we encounter problems while using the app logs are very important for troubleshooting and identifying the root cause. They help us analyze the issue and provide an effective solution. So how can we export the app logs? Click this icon. Click Help and Feedback. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click User Experience Program. You'll find the logs option here. Enable this function and reproduce the problem so the related information can be recorded in the logs. After the problem occurs, click this icon. Click Help and Feedback. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click User Experience Program. Click Send. You can export the log file to your phone and share it with our technical support for further analysis. By checking the log information, we can diagnose problems more efficiently and speed up issue resolution. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.